Welcome to Mutat Decode.
Prepare for countdown. All space station systems are fully operational and ready for the launch. Hello, explorers. Astronaut Mutat is finally ready for the ultimate journey. Welcome aboard the famous space boat. This incredible ship will take us to the stars. The advanced glowing interface is fully active. Flight navigation computers are calculating the star path. Coordinates entered and successfully locked in. The main flight computer is ready for immediate departure. Engaging the massive main engines now. Hold on to your seats. This is going to be wild. Whoa! Just feel that heavy G-force! We are accelerating straight through the Earth's thick atmosphere. Phew! Okay, we made it. We are officially floating in the beautiful... Look ahead! We are initiating a massive space jump to travel across the entire galaxy. It is absolutely mesmerizing. Look at all those swirling colors in the majestic cosmic vortex. Whoa, that blinding white light is way too bright. What is happening out there now? A colossal supernova explosion! That is the single most powerful energy release in the universe. Watch out for fast debris! Giant rocks and space dust are flying right at us! Gotcha! Oops, missed it. That tricky little atom is way too fast for my hands. Take a close look at this glowing holographic model. It is a single fundamental atom. Thing in the universe is made from these tiny blocks. Time to move! We are heading directly to the hottest spot in the entire solar system. Changing course right now. Buckle up tight, because we are diving straight toward the center. Warning, the external temperature is rising extremely fast. The radiation levels are off the charts. Behold, the sun! A gigantic, roaring ball of pure, endless fire and massive nuclear energy. It is so incredibly gigantic and blindingly bright. My optical sensors can barely handle this. Well, it is time to look cool and protect my eyes from this intense solar glare. Phew, even with the climate control, I am still practically melting into a metal puddle. Safety first, space travelers. A little bit of extreme sunscreen to prevent a nasty solar burn. Ah! That giant wave of fire almost completely melted our front navigation shields right off! Critical temperature warning. The ship is overheating fast. Time to make a very quick retreat. Activating the ultimate emergency super cooling fan! Ah, that is so refreshing. Did you know the sun is mostly just a giant sphere of hydrogen and helium gas? Goodbye, you magnificent fireball. We are leaving the extreme heat and heading into the dark void. The spaceship is flying away at top speed, leaving the intense solar gravity far behind us. The blinding light is gone. The cabin lighting is completely back to normal now. Next stop on our amazing cosmic tour, the mysterious, gray, and beautiful moon. Just look at that landscape. It is so incredibly quiet, desolate, and completely empty. The gravitational pull up here is extremely weak. I feel lighter than a feather. Look at these gigantic impact craters. Billions of space rocks crashed here long ago. Oh, there is our precious home. It looks so incredibly peaceful and fragile from here. Fun fact, the moon is exactly 4 times smaller than our beautiful planet Earth. Boing! Boing! Experiencing zero gravity walking is the most fun thing in the entire galaxy. And right here is the ultimate historic footprint left by the very first human explorers. That is one small step for a man and one giant leap for all mankind. Time to fire up the engines. Let's continue our epic journey deeper into space. We are approaching the 4th rock from the sun, the mysterious and dusty red planet. Welcome to the famous red planet, Mars. The surface here is completely covered in iron. Hello? Is anyone home today? I am actively scanning the rocky surface for friendly aliens. Nope. Still nobody around. It looks like we are the only living creatures here today. Oh no! A massive, violent, and blinding red sandstorm is heading directly toward our ship. It is a global dust storm. The thick sand is blocking all the sensors now. Behold, Olympus Mons! This massive shield volcano is literally 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Hello there, my robotic friend. Keep up the amazing scientific work exploring the red dirt. Hold on tight, everyone. There are millions of giant space rocks flying around us now. Dodge to the left. Barrel roll to the right. This is extreme space piloting now. It is so incredibly massive. Our entire spaceship is smaller than a tiny dust speck. Look at the great red spot. That is a raging storm, larger than planet Earth. The magnetic pull is way too strong. The extreme gravity is tearing the ship apart. Activating maximum emergency thrusters. We have to escape this gravitational trap right now. Go! Go! The main thrusters are burning at absolute maximum capacity. We are finally breaking free! Whew, okay, that was way too close. My mechanical heart is definitely pounding right now. Look at all of those glowing orbs. Jupiter has its own massive mini solar system. 1, 2, 3, wow! That giant planet has a total of 95 different moons. Uh-oh, the fuel gauge is blinking red. The extreme escape used up all our energy. Fuel is running dangerously low. It is definitely time to pack up and head home. calculating the precise trajectory for the final jump. Everything has to be absolutely perfect. Engaging the hyperspace drive one last time. Prepare for the ultimate warp speed jump. Woohoo! This is the absolute best roller coaster ride in the entire universe. Truly is no place like home. It is so wonderful to be back. Oops, what a complete mess. Zero gravity makes snacking extremely difficult and very messy. I gotta clean up all this floating space junk before we start our final landing. And let's quickly fix this messy space hair. A captain always needs to look sharp. Landing gear fully deployed and locked in place. Prepare the cabin for atmospheric re-entry. Hold steady, everyone. The turbulence is incredibly rough, but the ship is holding together. Breaking through the clouds, the violent shaking has stopped, and the beautiful blue sky appears. Blue sky and white clouds. Touchdown! The space boat has officially landed safely back at the main Earth launch pad. Outer space is absolutely amazing, isn't it? Thank you for flying with Mutat. I will see you on the next incredible adventure. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.